In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add images to WordPress. One way to add images to WordPress is in the media library. To find the media library, make sure that you're logged into WordPress. Then click on Media on the side. And in here, you can add different types of files. So to add a file, you can click on Add New Media File. And then you can select the file by choosing the location. You can add images, you can add sound, you can add videos, different types of files to add in. Once you've picked the file, click on Open, and it should load as it has done here, and then you'll see the image, and it can basically be added into posts and pages, which I'll show you next. If you want to add an image to a post in WordPress, first of all, make sure that you're logged into WordPress, and then click on Posts on the side. Click on Add New Post, which is here, if you want to create a post and add an image to it. But if you've already created a post, find the post, hover over it, and click on Edit. Give the post a title if you haven't already, and then all you need to do is click the plus up at the top, search for image, and then click on Image. You can choose Upload if you want to choose an image that isn't already in WordPress, which you'll upload. Choose Media Library if you want to take an image that's already been uploaded, like we did earlier on in the tutorial, and upload it. So I'm going to click on Media Library, and then I'm going to choose this image we uploaded earlier, and I'm going to choose Select. And as you can see, the image appears here. And what you can do is you can use these different options along the top to change it. So for example, you could click on Align, and you could align it to the left, or you could just, for example, align it center. If you want to find the image that we uploaded in this tutorial, it can be found in a link in the description that you can click on and you can download it. One thing is, if you want to save the image, you just click on Save Draft up at the top and the post saved. And if you want to publish, you click on Publish, and then you can click on Publish again to make the post and the image live on the website. If you've already published it, you can just click on Update after you've added the image in. So choose Publish, and then click on the W, and we'll return back into WordPress. To add an image to a page in WordPress, first of all, make sure that you're logged into WordPress, and then click on Pages on the side. If you want to add a new page and add that image to a page, click on Add New Page. If you want to take a page that you've already created and add an image to it, find it, hover over it, and click on Edit. Make sure you've given the page a title, and then to add an image, click the plus and search for image. Click on Image. And then you can choose whether you want to upload a new image or pick an image from the media library. We're going to choose Media Library. Click on the image and then click on Select. Again, you can find this image in the video description where you can click on the link and download it and then do just as I've just done. If you want to save the image in the post, click on Save Draft. And then you can click on Publish to make the page live with the image. In this tutorial, you've learned how to add images to WordPress. If you found the tutorial helpful, please give it a like. You can head to builderwebs.com, which you can see on screen here, and follow this tutorial through step by step on a blog post. If you haven't already, please subscribe to see future videos. I'm Jonathan from Builderwebs, and thank you for watching the video.